everybody, it's the handbag hauler here. I am out of handbag gel, off the island, all of that. So I took advantage of the Coach sale, and I'm just gonna open one of these bags right now because I did one of those things where I came to work and put all of my stuff in another bag, which was this cute bag right here that my sister made for me. Really cute, very easy to carry. I love this bag. This bag is great. I love her. So I wanted to carry this bag today. It kind of goes with what I have on, kind of. Yeah. So let's open this up real quick here. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I started and then I had to stop because I had to go do something. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unpack this whole box since I am here at home now. And I was laughing because I had my son get it out of my truck for me, and he was like, so I was like, don't worry about it, just put it in my room. So anyway, as I was saying, I was carrying my tote bag that my sister made for me. Cute tote bag here. And I'm getting ready to switch out and go into one of these totes. Now, this bag, I meant to tell you, I usually put an insert in it, but I didn't this morning because I was in a rush and I was gonna switch out the bags then, but I did not do that. So let's see what this first bag. I need some spring colors, and so that was the reason for this haul, because I really don't have any spring colors. Even in my Dooney bags, I don't know why I always go towards like the natural Florentine leather, the navy, the green, stuff like that. And I just don't have any cute spring colors, so in summer. And so this is the city tote, right? Or just the gallery? This is the city tote, and this is the color violet. So I have a few of these. I love the city totes. It gives me the never full feel when I'm carrying it. And so that's why I like to have these, because they're so versatile. And this thing is packed with a lot of stuff in it. So of course in this tote, these totes, there is a pocket there, a zip pocket, and then on this side there is nothing on this side. So this bag will definitely need some organization. You need to put a insert in this if you want to have some type of organization in these bags. So I highly recommend getting an insert if you're going to get these city bags. So that's in the violet. And then the next one I got is also a city bag. And this one is the green. It's the green. And I love this color. This is so cute. And it's the same setup as the other one. And it's a very light tote. That's another reason I like it, because it is light, and when I fill it up, it won't be too heavy, because I am going to fill it up. And as you can see, my curtains, I am into this green this season. I don't know what it is, but the greens and the grays are just really making me gravitate towards them. So yes, this one is green, and this is the city tote also. Both totes have the hang tag on it here. And the Coach emblem in the front on both bags. They look so pretty together. Look at that. And they're both the same size, or they should be the same size. And I love it. I love it. All right, that is that one. And then I got one more from Coach during their summer or their spring sale. And this one I was hesitant on getting, but I really liked the color and how this one was made. And this one has some organization. And this one, this tote is the Nina tote here. This is what got me, this seat. I love that. Okay, so yes, the Nina tote. Now this is the one I was gonna move into for work. But I don't know which one I want to move into for the weekend now. So let me show you the organization on this tote here. Now, I love this because I'm all for inner zips, with the exception of the love-hate relationship that I have with the Dooney and Burke. Some of their totes have the middle zip pocket. Well, this one does not have the middle zip pocket, and that is one of the things that made me gravitate towards this, because you have two zip pockets here. One in the front and another zip pocket here for the back. So you can have, and it has a magnetic closure here for the middle part. So that's that. And so if you wanna, like me, I would drop my things that I would need to grab right away in the bag. So I would grab those things and put those in the zip, or most important things that you want close to you in the zipper part. Now this one does have feet on the bottom, and it is a structure bag. It's not like really structured. It's not super hard, and that's another reason I like it. And this C, it's not pillow, but it is raised. It's a raised C. And then you have your hang tag there, and then this is a closer look at the back, and the sides are the same. And it's almost like a powdered blue, almost, I would say. But it's really cute. I love it. I love it. And that's, you know, one of the things that made me get it. And then you still have some organization in this tote here. You probably cannot see it on the camera, not calendar, camera, but there's two slip pockets. I can see right here. One here and then one here also. You probably can't. There you go. And then there's just the tag inside. So yeah, everybody, these are my totes that I got. Let me take this off because I am going to keep these. A lot of stuffing. Okay, I like to keep my bags stuffed when I store them. And this one too. I'm just gonna hold them all up because I'm gonna hold the video trying not to. So this is my 3 bags here. You guys, I love it. Pretty spring colors. Well, thank you all for joining me, and I'm gonna go back on Band Island, but not right now. Probably in a few weeks or so. Yeah, so that's that. Anyway, thank you all for joining me, and if you are new to my channel, please remember to like and subscribe. If you are returning, hit that bell button if you haven't already for my notifications whenever I do a video, and I will see everybody on my next video. Take care.